Hello, I'm Willie, the obese cat. You can find me on Craigslist looking for Frisky. That's my favorite cat food. I like chunking on the dry Frisky, and I like eating the wet Frisky cat food. I eat, I sleep, and I watch cable TV. It's fun in Happy Cat Land. I don't do a whole lot. As you can tell, I'm overweight. I wake my owner up in the middle of the night, just for kicks. I climb up in the window and look outside at the birds. I don't go outside. I'm not an outside cat. So, I have a happy life right inside here in my nice little cozy place. So, what do you do for kicks? Me? Like I said, I eat and I sleep. And I wake everybody up in the middle of the night. What are you looking at? It's rude to stare. My baloney has a first name. It's Frisky. My baloney has a second name. I think you know what it is. It's Frisky. Frisky. My baloney has a third name. Yep, that's right. It's Frisky.